Very good morning, children. Welcome to the e-learning class. This is Richa Sahu, your mathematics teacher. So let's start our chapter, that is fraction and decimals. What are fractions? Fractions are for counting part of something. In a simple language, a fraction is a quantity that cannot be represented by a whole number. For example, 1 by 2, 5 by 8, 3 by 4, etc. Types of fraction: proper fraction and improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction, unit fraction and whole fraction, equivalent fraction. First, proper and improper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is always less than the denominator. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Every whole number is improper fraction. In mixed fraction, a whole number and a proper fraction are together. Example, 2 raised to 1 by 4, 16 raised to 2 by 5. Mixed fraction and improper fraction are same. Like and unlike fraction. In like fraction, the denominator of the fraction are same. Example, 1 by 5, 8 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. In unlike fraction, the denominators of the fraction are different. Example, 5 by 4, 5 by 1, 5 by 8 and 5 by 3. All denominators are different, so these fractions are called unlike fraction. Now unit fraction and whole fraction. In unit fraction, the numerator of the fraction is 1. Like 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 9. All numerators are 1, so these fractions are called unit fraction. In whole fraction, the denominator of the fraction is 1, like 5 by 1, 8 by 1, 3 by 1. So all the denominators are 1, so these fractions are called whole fraction. Now equivalent fraction. To know that two or more fractions are equivalent, we must simplify. Simplify a fraction is in lowest term if we cannot find a whole number that can divide into both its numerator and denominator. For example, if we want to find the equivalent fraction of 5 by 10, so what we have to do, we just divided 5 by 10 by 5. So we get the answer 1 by 2. Let's try to understand with this example. Are 14 upon 21 and 13 upon 45 are equal or not? We just convert both the fraction in its lowest form. When we reduce 14 upon 21, we get 2 by 3. And same 30 upon 45, we reduce, then we get 2 upon 3. As we can see that both the fraction have same simplest form, thus 14 by 21 and 30 by 45 are equivalent fraction. Making equivalent fraction. To make equivalent fraction, we multiply the fraction with a special form of 1, same numerator and denominator. For example, 4 by 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. We multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So we get 20 by 25. Operations of fraction: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Addition of fraction: simplifying, like and unlike fraction. Like fraction compulsory to add. If there are unlike fraction, then convert them to like fraction. The denominator should not be added. Always change improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Adding fraction with same denominator, add the numerator and leave the denominator as it is. Example, 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 is a like fraction, is equal to 3 by 6. We reduce, we get 1 by 2. Adding fraction with different denominators. If there are different denominators in the fraction, then we change them to like fraction. For example, 1 by 3 plus 2 upon 5. Both are unlike fraction. So, firstly we have to convert them in a like fraction and then we add. Now subtraction of fraction with same denominators. Subtract the numerator and leave the denominator as it is. For example, 4 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Both have same denominators, then our answer is 2 by 6. If we reduce, then we get 1 by 3. Thanks children.